Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for the FITTER 2020 and the mechanical engineering student. This is a miscellaneous problem from orthometric projection to isometric view. This is the problem number 2. The drawing is given like this. How to solve? This is the orthometric projection. By seeing the orthometric projection, then how to draw a isometric view. I'll teach you how to do. First you collect the length, breadth and width, what they're given. So in the front view, they're given like this dimension. So in the front view, they're given like this. The dimension is 60. One more center, the box is 30. This one and this one is 15. So the total length is 60. They're given like this. In the top view, same. Take the position line, how it is going. See, the box will come like this. So this will be a 15, this will be a 15, then 30. So here also 60. In a side view, we have to take a projection line like this. So the side view are given like this. They cut like this. So this position, what is 15 mm and 15 mm, they have cutted here. So we have to do the isometric view. Keep somewhere on middle point, draw an axis line, take here 30 degree and 30 degree, so make a reference line like this. So the dimension is the given 60 mm. 60 mm. Here also 60 mm. Then height also 60 mm. So make one square box all around 60 mm. Keep a middle point 30 and 30, so that the drawing will come very neatly. This is the first portion I have completed. What the square has been done like this. They've cutted here. See, they cutted here. Same like this, you cut here also. Next step, they have cutted here 15 mm. They have taken here. Again, you take here 15 mm for a reference line. Okay. Then they taken here 15 mm. Make a reference line. So it come like this. Okay. From taking here, take like this. Okay friends, after that same like this, here also 15 mm. and 15 they cut it like this. They taken 15 like this. Okay, I'll make dark where and all they did like this. After that, take your middle 30 the door one reference line like this. So that the drawing will come like this. After that, they have taken here 15 all around because they have done in the square. So 15 see here, join this line, take here 15 take here 15 after that both the dimension is cut as 30. See here 30. There also 30. Join this line and this line. So what the taper is coming here, see in the box I have done. Join this line, join this line, so it will come like this. This taper should join, take parallelly. See it is joining here. So this is the drawing. Make everything up, then you will get a neat drawing. This is a miscellaneous problem. If you like this video, please share to your friends, comments, then I can do more drawings. So the drawing will come like this. So this should be a 30 degree, this should be a 30 degree, the height and length and width is 60. The square black has been like this. So here is taken 15 here I taken 15 this is 30 then again this is 30 this taper I joined like this. Okay, if anything, if you got a doubt, you can comment, you can subscribe and ring the bell, you will get a notification. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.